Today we're going to be attempting a repair for a mutual customer by the name of Cassandra Poe. Claim number is 0829988217. Today is Monday, July 6th at approximately 1:40 p.m. The weather is about 82 degrees. As you can see, this shingle right here, this is the damaged shingle. We're going to remove that shingle and we're going to replace it with a new one. And just a heads up before we get started, the shingle is discontinued. All right, new shingles in. Obviously you can see the gap here. The gap here because the shingles discontinued. You can see right here, caused damage here as well. The shingles beyond repairable. It's just causing damage to the surrounding shingles, and this shingles doesn't fit. And as you can see, just throughout the spread out damage of the entire roof, this roof is beyond repairable, right? Just everywhere. And then at one point in time, it looks like there was a previous repair. Here's a previous repair, and whoever repaired it caused damage here, here, there, there. This roof's beyond repairable.